This is Greek Street roundabout in Stockport. It may look like any other roundabout, but it's unusual as it's built entirely over the railway line. The bridge was built in 1958 and it carries the road over the West Coast Main Line into Manchester, and the bridge is now at the end of its usable life. The main part of the work is going to be starting at the end of March this year with road closures, but some work has already taken place. This bridge has been built, which is going to carry a temporary footpath, and it is also going to carry the utilities over while the work is going on. When the road is closed, they can reroute the utilities over this temporary bridge until they can be replaced back into the new bridge. This site compound has been cleared by Network Rail in preparation for the contractors Murphys to move in, so they got some place to store everything and put the vehicles, etc. The road closures will be in place for a total of 12 months until the bridge is fully complete. Some prep work will take place at Easter, but the main bulk of the works is going to be taking place in August in a 3-week period where the railway is going to be completely closed while the bridge is removed and the new one put into place. Towards autumn, more final works will take place with the roads reopening fully in spring 2026. I will keep an eye on the project, so if you can like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.